Hello, in case you're wondering how to work with high resolution imagery directly in ArcGIS Pro, look no further. So specifically for planet imagery, there is an add-in for Planet ArcGIS Pro that you will need to download and install. Once you right click on it and have it installed, then you'll be able to access it from the add-ins. You'll see the Planet Explorer add-in added to your ArcGIS Pro. Then you'll be able to access the same through this particular ribbon. So we have the Planet Imagery tab that you'll be required to sign in using your credentials. So I'm gonna just sign in really quick using my credentials. That's my username and password. So I can choose to save my credentials, and once I input my credentials, then I'm able to log in. So you can see that we actually have these tabs activated right now, and I can search for imagery. I can be able to access planet basemaps. I can inspect, I can do tasking, and also look at my order status. So we'll go to planet basemaps, and we have quite a number of basemaps that we can access based off the kind of subscription that we have with Planet. So we have the global monthly, we have the global quarterly and weekly subscription for the basemap. We can check out the weekly subscription. Once I select it, then I can see what I have in that category. So we can check out imagery basemap for 5th June 2023. Once I check that, then I'm able to explore and place an order if I like what I see. So if I go to my contents pane, then I can see that that particular base map has been listed as one of my as one of my layers within the map, and I can zoom in and out and just to get a gist and explore the base map. If I like what I see, then I can go back and actually place an order. We can also explore the global quarterly base map, and I can see that I have July to September. Once I check it, then I'm able to explore it as well. And it's listed on my contents pane as well. We can explore the global monthly. I have it selected. I select October 2024, then I explore. And I can go to my contents pane, zoom in, and be able to appreciate the base map as well. So I can go ahead and actually save my project and have these particular base maps added to my project according to what I have selected. Thanks for watching.